Hi, this is Ajay Kumar from RUDRA Surgical Works, Mumbai. We are manufacturer and supplier of laparoscopy, urology, gynecology, and general instruments and equipments. And this is full body shape virtual endotainer with 5 instruments. So, fenestrate, Caesar, Maryland, Bhandargar knot pusher, and needle holder. And this is needle holder, stainless steel, 5 mm into 330 mm. And this is Bhandargar knot pusher. And this is Caesar 5 mm into 330 mm stainless steel. And this is Maryland 5 mm into 330. And this is fenestrate. And this comes with 2 white practice material switcher pad and 1 red switcher pad and 2 plastic cones and 1 USB for laptop connection. Now I am going to show you the camera clarity. Let's start. This is plastic cone installation for instruments. And here goes the needle holder. Okay, then another one will be Caesar. So let me show you the camera clarity, and this is it. Let me show you how to install the white practice material inside this endotainer. This is white switching pad after this installation. Let me show you the power connection, how to connect this video entertainer in TV. So let's start. This is power adapter. So we have to connect this power adapter. First we have to connect this. Then second one we have to connect this video cable. So first we have to connect it in TV in yellow port, and second end we have to connect it in this video entertainer. So first we have to go in inputs, then AV mode, and this is the HD clarity. Thank you.